All right, everyone. How you doing out there? Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Okay, I'm going to be releasing this to channel members first for a week, and then I'll make it available for everyone. But I went to picked up some stuff at Walmart. Now, the last time we got this, we got the Great Value brand. It's the toilet bowl cleaners, tablets. And so this time I picked up the Tidy Bowl. Now this here had 4 in it. This thing here had 5 in it. And when I was feeling this, go, okay, yeah, it was hard at the bottom, got up here, oh, soft up here, okay. So they put, instead of putting 6 in here, they put 5 in here. Well, when I got home, I opened it up to drop one in the master bathroom there, and look how big that is. That is tiny. I mean, that's about the size of an old-fashioned silver dollar. In comparison, here's the other ones from Walmart. The Walmart brand. They're about the same thickness, but I mean, it's like, I'm not sure how much the four of these were. I think it was like 6 something for the 4 of them. For 5 of these was $1.76. But look at the size of these and the size of these. This is probably at least twice as big. And as soon as I dropped one of the Tidy Bowl ones here in, it started dissolving, and it flew and started dissolving real quick. These don't dissolve quick. These take a while to get used up. So, a little prepper hint here. Careful what you're buying. The Tidy Bowl ones, these little 5 packet here, the value packet is not a value, because if I have to get 2 of these to equal one of these, and these, 2 of these cost more than 1 of these. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting the Great Value ones from now on. So, all right. So before I take off, I'm gonna put a video up here you should be interested in. I'll put a playlist down here. I'll put a link over here to my last prepper haul, and I'll put a link to Cat Patent Family Compound, my gardening and homesteading channel. Stay safe. Take care. Why? This is why.